built this WhatsApp agent that replies to all my customer queries automatically with the correct information about my business. Yes, you can see I have asked the question that says, do you have kids meal? And my WhatsApp agent has replied to that question with the proper answer. Not only this, I initiated that conversation on my business WhatsApp number with the message, hey, I need help. And you can see the message that my WhatsApp agent has sent. Then I have asked, please share your menu. So my WhatsApp agent has shared the entire menu for a fast food restaurant. Then I have asked, what is your closing time? So it has mentioned the operating hours of my restaurant. And then I've asked, do you offer Jain food? So we have received the answer for that as well. Then I have asked the question as, do you have kids meal for now? And you can see we have received the instant answer for this question. So this is how magically my WhatsApp agent replied to all my customer queries regarding my fast food restaurant. And now if I tell you that you can build this amazing WhatsApp agent for your business too, then what would be your reaction? I hope you might be happy. Yes, you can create this WhatsApp agent with the help of this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And here on my screen you can see a WhatsApp agent that I have created for my own business using this software. So now here to learn how you can create this agent for your business too, you need to access this Pabbly Chatflow by searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I have already connected my business WhatsApp number with my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to connect yours, click on this add button, and here you can see the two methods. So if you wish to learn about any of the method in details, then you can watch out the video links available in the description box below for the same. And now let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and in the description box as well. And here, as you know, that in this tutorial we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this WhatsApp agent for your business. So for that we are going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is AI Assistant, available over here. Now under this AI assistant, you can see the total number of assistants, number of active and number of inactive assistants in my account. Here to create a new one, click on this add button, give a name to your assistant and then click on this add button. Automatically it will direct you to a flow window like this. And here, as you know, that I've created a WhatsApp agent for my own business. So now let me give you a short brief of this entire process step by step without wasting your time. So now here, before we begin with the process, let me tell you that if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. And now here to begin with the process, you need to select the instruction type first from the drop down. You can see the first option is custom prompt. If you want, you can add your own prompt, or else you can use some predefined examples such as AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, or many more. For now, I've selected the AI agent. And as soon as you're going to select the instruction type, automatically some basic instructions will be updated over here. You can add more as per your requirement. Then comes the AI configuration. First one is temperature. So here you need to set how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. I wanted to receive more focused answers, so I've set it as 0.4. Then for the AI, I've selected OpenAI and the model as GPT-5 mini from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. Then comes the API key. So here you need to add your paid account's OpenAI key in order to connect your API key inside your AI assistant. So to get the key, we're going to click on this hyperlink available over here, and it will direct you to the API keys window of your OpenAI account. Here I easily got directed because I was already logged into my account in the same browser. So now here to get the key, click on this create new secret key, give a name to your key, select the project and click on this create secret key. By doing so, you are going to receive an API key. Copy that key and add it over here. Then click on this connect button to save that API key inside your AI assistant. Then comes the assistant settings. First one is header message. So here to add yours, turn on this button and here you can can add the header text. Maximum of 60 characters are allowed. Same goes with the footer message as well. For now, I don't want to add any, so I'm going to turn them off. Then comes the stop keywords. It says enter the keywords that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. So let's understand the settings with the help of an example. Let's suppose that I want to add my keyword as human. So for that, we're going to type the keyword first, then we're going to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. Now whenever my customer is going to send this keyword on my WhatsApp chat, instantly my assistant is going to stop replying to that chat. That means the chat is going to get intervened. That means only a human can reply to that chat further. This is how stop keyword works in the case of the AI assistant. Then comes the retry attempt. So here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts that you want to give to your assistant as per your requirement. Valid range is 1 to 10. For now, I don't want to mention the range. Then comes the fallback message. It says enter the message to display when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So when the API fails to respond correctly, then this fallback message is sent on my customer's WhatsApp chat. Here I've used a default message where in the end I have added my support ID that says support@test.com. You can update this message as per your requirement. This basically happens in the case of API key expiration. Then comes the knowledge source. So it is the most important section of your AI assistant. By providing a knowledge source, your assistant will reply to all your customer queries very correctly and promptly. Here I've already created a knowledge source for my own business where I've added all the details such as who we are, our mission, what we offer, the entire menu with their pricings, and also some basic FAQs with their answers so that my assistant can reply to all my customer queries very correctly and promptly. So now here after creating this knowledge source, you need to download this file either in the plain text format or in a PDF format because only these formats are supported inside Pabbly Chatflow. So to upload the file, you need to select this button, then you need to select the file that you want to upload and click on this open button. Automatically a file will be uploaded over here like this. Then comes the assistant interface. First one is display heading name. Here you need to add your brand name. I have added mine. Then comes the subheading. Here I've used a default subheading that says we are online, happy to assist you. You can update it as per your requirement. Then comes the initial message. It says enter each message in a new chat bubble. You can add two initial message. One is added by the default that says hi there, how can I help you today? You can remove this and you can add two message as per your requirement. Then comes display the powered by Pabbly label. You can simply disable this label by selecting disable option from the drop down. For now I'm going to keep it as enable only. Then comes the footer text and footer link. So businesses use this concept to create their privacy policy hyperlink. Here I've used the default details. For now if you want to add only footer text, then you can simply add the text and it will be shown as text only. Then comes the user first message. It says this message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from the user. So here as you know that I start my conversation with my WhatsApp agent as hey I need help. So this is my user first message. Then comes the styling section. Under this you can style your assistant as per your requirement. You can change the theme mode to light or dark. Then you can change the shape to circle, square or rounded square. Then you can change the background color, text color, WhatsApp button colors and many more. For now I've used the basic ones. Then you can update a header profile picture, assistant profile picture and a background picture as well. For now I've not uploaded any media. Alright, so these were the very simple step of creating a WhatsApp assistant for fast food restaurant. Now after creating this assistant, you need to activate the same by enabling this button. Then click on the save button to save the entire process that we have performed till now. Then you can see a embed option using which you can add this assistant on your websites as well. Now here after creating the assistant, let me tell you that you need to assign this assistant to your WhatsApp chats as well. So to assign the assistant to your WhatsApp chats in bulk, you need to access the inbox settings from this settings section. For now I'm going to open it in a new tab. Here under inbox settings, scroll it little down and the last you can see the option of AI auto reply settings. From here enable the auto reply, select the contact list and then select the assistant that you want to assign. Click on the save button and automatically your assistant will be assigned to all those contacts who lie under this contact list. This is how you can assign your assistant to your WhatsApp contacts in bulk. Now let me tell you that you can also assign this assistant to your single WhatsApp chat as well by accessing this inbox section. From here select a particular chat that you want to assign. Turn on this button and select the assistant that you want to assign, and this is how you can assign your assistant to your single WhatsApp chat as well. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of creating this WhatsApp agent for your business. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, information, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available on your screens. And if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this, you can create many such WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistants for your own business with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any price and related issue, then please visit this URL. Now, if you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.